Welcome back to your mental wealth journey, a space for thoughtful reflection, emotional clarity, and personal growth through journaling. These daily prompts are drawn from Mental Wealth Journey, available on Amazon and designed to support your inner work. Not replace therapy, but deepen your self-awareness. I've put a link to it below. Yesterday, on day 134, we considered the ways that we deceive ourselves and the courage it takes to accept truth. And today, we take another dive into the deeper currents of our being. So, take a deep breath, settle in, and let this moment be yours, accompanied by a video of our boat ride taking us to a lemur sanctuary in Madagascar. Helen Keller wrote, "Character cannot be developed easily and quietly. Only through experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened." From an existential perspective, this quote speaks to the transformative power of struggle. Life's discomforts are not detours. They are the crucibles in which our deepest values, resilience, and authenticity are forged. To suffer is not to be broken, but to be invited into depth. Human psychologists like Viktor Frankl and Rollo believed that meaning is often born out of adversity. When we face trials with openness, we do more than endure. We evolve. Suffering strips away illusion, revealing the raw material of character, courage, compassion, and clarity. Imagine steel being tempered in fire. If it is not hardened by comfort, but by heat, the flame doesn't destroy, it strengthens. Likewise, our soul is shaped not in silence, but in the roar of life's challenges. Today, reflect on a hardship that changed you. What did it reveal about your inner strength, your values, or your capacity to love? How did it shape the way you show up in the world today? Self-awareness allows us to honor our scars, not as signs of weakness, but as symbols of growth. When we reflect on our trials, we reclaim their meaning. Here's today's journal prompt. Write about a time when suffering shaped your character. What did you learn about yourself through that experience? How can you honor your strength by forgetting the pain and recognizing the soul part that it awakened? That's all for today's reflection. What came up for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If this prompt stirred something meaningful, you'll find more in the book Mental Wealth Journey, your companion for self-awareness daily practice. I've put a link to it below. So let's keep growing together. Like, subscribe, and share if this supported your journey. And until next time, keep writing with courage.